Good morning, everyone. This is Albert, one of the real estate salesperson of Amaya in Davideland. And for today's video, I will show you one of the Amaya Lands project here inside New Valley, the Amaya series New Valley. Nandito na tayo sa entrance ng ating Amaya series New Valley. So ang ipepresent natin sa inyo today is ang offerings natin. So this is the first townhouse project ni Amaya Land inside New Valley. Napakaganda ng security dito dahil kailangan muna nilang hingiin yung identity ng mga papasok. So still, it's an executive subdivision. So for those who are looking for a property inside New Valley and sabihin natin na hindi pasok doon sa budget ninyo, yung mga single detached and single attached unit na available sa Avida, then Amaya series New Valley is one of the best option for you. So this is a townhouse project. Ang ino-offer natin dito is meron tayong 2-story townhouse, which is yung nakikita ninyo ngayon. Yung 2-story townhouse natin is nasa phase 1 siya, but for the phase 2, which is ongoing na ang construction, doon na tayo magkakaroon ng mixed na 2-story and ng ating 3-story townhouse. So as you can see sa video natin, malinis yung daanan and yung mga bahay natin is maaliwalas tignan. So makikita ninyo nandito ang ating basketball court. Ayan. And then, you have here our swimming pool. Ayan po yung ating swimming pool. Ongoing po ang construction. And here is the clubhouse. Siyempre, isa sa mga i-consider natin kapag nagsisearch tayo ng property na lilipatin natin or pag-i-invest natin is i-make sure natin na ano ba yung mga amenities na meron yung subdivision. Kasi siyempre, kapag rest day natin, gusto naman natin mag-spend ng time with our family. So, having this kind of amenities will help us to create more memories with our family. So, on my right, here is the model units of our Series 100 and the 2-story for our Series 65. Tara, check natin yung unit. And here is our first unit that I will show you, the Series 100. So this is a 3-story unit na townhouse. Meron tayong end and meron tayong inner. So this Series 100 is available sa Phase 2 ng Amaya series New Valley dahil sa ating Phase 1 which is meron ng mga nakatira, puro mga 2-story townhouse ang nandoon. But for this time, Series 100 will be available sa Phase 2. So, ang papasukin natin ngayon is a complete finished na Series 100 which is ito yung magiging deliverable upon turnover of your unit. So, disclaimer lang, kung ano yung makikita ninyo sa loob, ayon yung maidi-deliver sa inyo once na lumipat kayo. So, this end unit has an average lot area of 84 square meters. For the inner unit, the lot area is 60 square meters. For the floor area, kaya siya tinawag na Series 100 dahil meron siyang 100 square meters floor area. For your parking, this can fit 1 car. Pero pag sa end at meron ka naman extra space sa gilid, it depends. But for 2 cars, pwede pa rin siya mag-fit. For end unit, ang advantage mo, meron kang additional space dito sa gilid, which pwede mo maging additional pocket garden, pwede mo maging additional na service area, or additional na laundry area. Pwede mo rin siyang pagawa ng bedroom in the future if ever na gusto mo magkaroon ka ng bedroom in the first floor. By the way, our end unit and our inner unit has the same counts of bedroom and toilet and bath. For the toilet and bath, we have 3, and for the bedrooms, we have 4. So before we enter our unit, I want you to see the additional space here beside of our house and the back door. So, this is what I have mentioned a while ago. Ito is pwede ninyong gawing additional na area for your garden and for service area. And here is our back door. Meron tayo ditong saksakan for our automatic na washing machine. Yan. So ngayon, pasok na tayo para i-check ninyo kung ano yung i-deliver sa inyo once na ma-turn over yung inyong unit. We have a 1 square meter porch, and then upon entering, we will be greeted by this door na made from steel, and meron tayong 1 doorknob but meron siyang double lock. Pasok tayo. Pagkapasok natin, yung ating sahig is made from vinyl planks. Yan siya. Ayan yung color niya. And drywall painted white. And for our windows, this is an aluminum framed windows. Yan. So, ang end unit, ang advantage, you have a lot of windows. Meron kang extra window dito and meron kang another window dito. Yan. And for the inner unit naman, ang windows mo is yung sa front and then sa back. But again, for end unit, you have additional space and additional windows sa gilid ng inyong bahay. And for our kitchen and sink, this will be the deliverable upon turnover of your unit. Plus, meron ng additional cabinets and grease trap. Meron tayo ditong saksakan for our kitchen appliances. Pwedeng dito ang gas range, and then dito naman yung ating refrigerator. Then the good thing nga dito, no, meron tayong back door which also made from steel. So yung pintuan natin from our entrance and sa back door, iisa ng quality ng pintuan. Okay? And then beside of our back door, nandito naman ang ating first na toilet and bath. So this is a PVC door. Pasok tayo. We have a complete fixtures to our bathroom. Meron tayo ditong lavatory. Meron dito tayong flush na toilet. And we have enough space for our bathroom. So, ayan po siya. In the future, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng glass for to cover para hindi mabasa yung nandito sa may toilet na part. Or naman, pwede tayo maglagay ng curtain. So, ayun siya. By the way, our toilet and bath is 3.6 square meters area. And here is our stairs. So, our stairs is made from steel and then binuhusan siya ng concrete and then nilagyan siya ng vinyl planks. By the way, sa baba ng ating stairs, pwede tayo dito maglagay ng TV rack. Ayan. Kasi may saksakan na rin siya para sa ating TV. So, our handrails is also made from steel. Heavy duty siya, guys. As you can see, napakaaliwalas ng ating hagdanan. Even yung mga nasa paligid natin kasi they are all whites and off-whites. Pagkaakyat natin ng second floor, sa ating left is our first bedroom. Pasok tayo. Our door is made from MDF or medium density fiber board. So, aluminum framed windows na rin ang ating bintana. And meron na rin tayong provision for aircon. And this is our second bedroom. It almost have the same size as our first bedroom. So, same pa din siya. For end unit, meron kang additional na windows. Pero for inner unit, ang windows mo is nasa harapan lang. So, still you have the provision for aircon. And let's go to the third bedroom. So, in our third bedroom, kung sa first bedroom natin, it is on a square shape, and then sa second bedroom is on a rectangular shape. This time naman is, it's like a letter P. Kasi pagkapasok mo ng ating pintuan, meron pa tayong enough space dito. Pakita natin sa kanila. Meron tayong enough space dito na pwede natin paglagyan ng ating built-in cabinet. And then dito yung ating bed. Pero if you're going to put your bed in this position, kakayanin niya up to mini double bed. So, meron na rin siyang window frame na aluminum. And dito, aluminum frame windows na rin. After ko sa inyo ipakita yung third bedroom, mapapansin din ninyo, yung hallway natin is maluwag din. Yung side natin is still vinyl planks. So, same siya katulad ng nasa first floor natin. Dito naman na part is our second toilet and bath. For our second toilet and bath, it also comes with the same size ng ating toilet and bath sa first floor. And same din yung kanyang fixtures. So, ito siya. A decent size for a 3.6 square meters na toilet and bath. And now, let's go to the third floor. On my left is the door going to your balcony. And sa harap ko naman yung master's bedroom. So, check natin siya. You also have a 2 windows here sa front and sa gilid. And additional din na provision for window type aircon. Ang kinagandahan yan sa master's bedroom natin, meron siya sariling toilet and bath. So ito yung ika-third na toilet and bath natin. So, same fixtures pa rin tayo. And additional thing, meron pala tayo ditong smoke detector. Yan. So now, we're going to our balcony. So for our balcony, yung door natin dito is steel. Same sa entrance and sa back door. So, here is our very huge balcony. So, the tiles is ceramic. Maganda siya. Para kapag umuulan or mabasa yung ating sahig is hindi siya madulas. Yan. So, meron din siya ditong daanan ng tubig. So, let's say, lilinisin ninyo to. Meron na tayo ditong daanan ng tubig. Alulod pababa sa ating bahay. So, yung ating ditong harang is made from steel. Ito yung additional points when you get a property like this 3-story townhouse in Amaya Series Snow Valley, especially kapag maganda yung location na nahanap ninyo. As you can see over there, that is the Tagaytay Ridge. So especially kapag February or December, napakalamig po dito. Ayan. So, sa part naman na to, sa may bandang baba, nandiyan po ang Kanlubang Golf Course. And that's it. Naipakita ko na sa inyo ang ating 3-story townhouse na Series 100. And if you are interested, please send me message. Ilalagay ko sa description box ang aking email address and ang aking cellphone number para mas madali nyo ako makontak. I hope makapag-set tayo ng tripping para mas ma-appreciate ninyo kung gaano kaganda ang project natin dito sa Amaya Land. If you'd like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page para updated kayo sa mga offerings natin sa Amaya and Avidaland. Again, this is Albert, your buddy in searching for property. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.